Welcome back to Authentic, where we bring you the latest and most authentic reviews of upcoming cars. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most iconic and resilient pickup trucks ever built, the 2025 Toyota Hilux. Known for its toughness, reliability, and versatile performance, the new Hilux takes these qualities to a whole new level with modern upgrades and enhancements that will surprise you. Let's get into the details and explore both its interior and exterior engine power and the unique elements that make this truck stand out in the crowded market. The 2025 Toyota Hilux continues its tradition of rugged aesthetics, but with a contemporary touch. The front fascia is bolder than ever with a redesigned grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that now come with dynamic auto leveling for better visibility on rough terrains. The bonnet features a raised design with more aggressive contours, giving it a muscular stance. Along the sides, you'll notice the sleek, aerodynamic body lines that not only enhance the Hilux's appearance, but also improve airflow for better efficiency. It comes standard with 18-inch alloy rims, though higher trims offer 20-inch alloy wheels with off-road-ready tread. The wheel arches are subtly flared, contributing to a robust off-road vibe, while the side steps are built to withstand harsh conditions yet maintain a sleek appearance. The tailgate and rear lights have also received a makeover, with C-shaped LED tail lamps adding a modern touch. A unique feature that many may not know is the tailgate assist technology, which allows the tailgate to open smoothly and with minimal effort, a feature often found in luxury trucks. Inside, the 2025 Hilux is not just about toughness but also comfort and technology. The cabin is larger and more spacious than before, offering ample room for both driver and passengers. The seats are covered with high-quality leather or durable fabric, depending on the variant, and provide lumbar support for those long rides. What's interesting is that the front seats are ventilated, a feature rarely seen in trucks, aimed at increasing comfort in hot climates or during off-road adventures. A cutting-edge 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center of the dashboard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The system also integrates with Toyota's advanced 360-degree camera, giving you a full view of your surroundings, perfect for tight parking spaces or navigating rugged terrains. Under the hood, the 2025 Hilux boasts a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine that now produces up to 204 horsepower and a significant 500 Nm of torque. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission or an optional manual gearbox. This engine offers a remarkable balance between power and fuel efficiency, making it suitable for both city commutes and hardcore off-road adventures. The truck can tow up to 3.5 tons, making it one of the strongest in its class. The Hilux also comes with Toyota's advanced off-road technology, including crawl control, which automatically adjusts throttle and brakes for maximum traction on tricky terrains. The adaptive variable suspension adjusts according to road conditions, giving you a smooth ride even when driving over rough patches. One thing many people don't know about the 2025 Hilux is its noise, vibration and harshness, suppression technology, which reduces cabin noise to almost sedan-like levels. Additionally, the hill assist control and downhill assist control make this truck an all-terrain beast that's hard to rival. In short, the 2025 Toyota Hilux is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, ruggedness and comfort. Whether you're using it for daily commuting or off-road exploration, this truck delivers on all fronts.